gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright.
Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it. The name of the unit is Freetress Equal Baby Hair Lace Front Wig.
Gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am.
This is their sub card and I have it in the color FFT 1B27 and the available colors are 1B2, 4, OT27, OT30, OT530. It's a normal cap construction with two combs on either side, a comb at the back, and adjustable strap. This is how the unit looks and I am already feeling this one.
Your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and
look at this gorgeous unit. I love the number 27 at the bottom of the wig. I'll put the unit on and get into the customization of the unit. As the name of the unit suggested, baby hair. Yes, they have some baby hairs, guys, and these are not grandma hair or teenager hair. I love to comb the hair backwards before I cut the lace.
Never gonna find someone this real, so stay in check. I got a big ego.
You can see, guys, it is a hair-to-hair lace, but once you remove the lace from the wig, it will be a little short. So I gotta go in with my gotta be glue and lay this lace down. So I'll move along and use the scissors to cut the lace, and then I'll use the gotta be glue and lay the lace down. This unit is definitely not big head friendly because I have a large head, guys, and as I said before, the lace, once you remove the lace, it will fall a little short. So take that into consideration, guys, if you have a bigger head than mine.
Before I start to spill, you build the bear. You acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly.
Everybody's watching. They say that we won't win, yeah. But girl, I know I loved you from the first time I saw you, so I'm ready for this, yeah. Put it in the
I am not a fan of this narrow parting space, so I'll go in and widen the parting space a little.
keep on hating, but we're ready for this. Oh, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name, so the pressure is on.
The parting space looks a little wide, guys, but I can work with this. Adding my Maybelline Fit Me powder to the parting space as well as the front of the lace.
Crowding in, yeah, for many different reasons. But when in every season, we're ready for this. Hey, put it on the TV. I'm betting we won't lose. No, my heart is straight forever. Play this game together. I'm winning, girl, with you. Oh, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. So the pressure is on all eyes on us. This is our World Series game. Yeah, I have prepared for this all my life. You chose to let.
And you know a girl gotta go in with the Kira walk stick to try and get rid of some of the flyaways.
We played to win. Everybody's out there. Everyone we
I am adding some mousse to the unit to reduce the frizz.
support us. It's funny how it goes. Hey, home runs are waiting. Let's hit 'em one by one. Look how far we made it. Ooh, the haters just can't take it, and still we ain't done. No, no, your mom doesn't like me much, and your dad hates to hear my name. Let them say what they want. The stakes are high. This is our World Series game. I have prepared for this all my life. You chose to let me in. Give me your love, keep this game alive.
My drawbacks of the unit are it is a little short once I remove the lace. It sheds a little, guys, but after the patch of hair I remove from the hair, nothing less is expected, guys. I love this unit. The color pattern is amazing and I am in love with the color, guys. The number 27. Oh! I love the curl pattern. I love how natural the hair looks. This hair doesn't look synthetic wear, guys. The link for the unit will be in the description down below. If you're interested, guys, go and check it out. Remember, guys, leave your girl some love. Like, share, subscribe. Until next time, bye.
From the house, we brought a raise them in, and then we're gonna